Hello, Gunpla fans. It's Speedball Harl today, and once again, because if you've seen my latest unboxing, this is my second delivery from P Bandai, literally in the last 2 days. So yeah, though of course I don't know exactly what's in these two boxes specifically, because honestly, it could be my Expo or it could be my standard retail P Bandai. And being that it seems that Premium Bandai seems to have been able to get their shipping issues figured out and been able to ship out some orders, it could be either or. But honestly, if I had to guess, I think these are some retail P Bandai because of how big the boxes are. Because normally the Expo boxes I've been noticing have been pretty big. So these just look like retail to me, but I could be wrong. So enough of me talking. Let's get these opened. Alright, we'll move this one out of the way and start with this one. Alright, let's see. Bubble, as always, more of that. Stuff we don't need. Let's see. Ooh, paper garbage. No one wants that. Alright, let's see if this is a retail or if it is Expo. Just move all that out of the way because no one needs that. Alright. Any more? Okay, now I'm feeling something, and it's... Oh, okay, I was wrong. This is another Expo delivery, because as you can see, this is the System Weapon 002 from the Gundam Base, and this is, of course, some more Zaku weapons and Gundam weapons, specifically Heat Hawks and longer beam rifles weaponry. Wow. Okay, wow, I was surprised. I thought for sure this was going to be some retail kits. Huh. Well, I'll be. But these are definitely really a lot of fun, guys, if you haven't checked these out. Let's see. Oh, there's another one, in fact. Oh yes, I've been waiting for this one. The 006 weapon kit, and as you can see, it's a big bazooka weapon and some Zaku shield armor support, which I definitely have been wanting to try this kit out with some of my other Zakus. This looks really nice, and it's definitely a weapon kit that needs to be mass produced again. But however, looks really nice. Alright, let's see. Without revealing anything. Oh, bubble. My bad. Okay, here's something, and it's the... Oh, sweet. The Haro Paint Model Clear and White Haro Plus. And for those who don't know what this is, of course, Gundam Base exclusive. Pretty much based for younger builders and beginners, but it is a variation of the paint model line that the Gundam Base sells of the Harapla. But the unique fact about this one is that you actually get two Haraplas. Literally, you get a full standard white one and a complete clear one, which really is nice because I'm not 100%. I mean, they're pretty much telling you to make a clear color version of whatever color and a solid version. So that's what's really cool. And I believe both of these are based on the original Haropla form, as in the non-computer one, I believe. So that's going to be really cool to check out. Though I have not decided what color I would do yet. Huh. Definitely nice. Alright, let's see. Wow, they really stuffed this box with the bubbles, didn't they? Okay, here's something if I can get to it. And that is, the Gundam Base Limited RX-78 Beyond Global Gundam Base color variant. This is going to look really cool, because for those who saw my last unboxing, I actually got the G3 version of the Beyond Global. So, yeah, this is going to be a really nice one to check out. And that box art's really cool with all the lights and such. That's really nice. Yeah, definitely going to be nice to compare all the RXs I've been getting lately. Oh my. I'm starting to lose count now, actually. Okay, let's see what this one is. Curse you, slippy fingers. And it is the, yes, the Dodai Kai 21st Century Real Type version. This is pretty much, it's the retype variation, of course, of the Dodai Kai, and it's really cool because it's a Zeta kit and pretty much one of the not many support flight kits we get a lot of. I mean, we don't get a lot of them. So yeah, I had to get this guy because I was getting a number of the real type kits, so of course I had to pick this one up. Plus, it would actually look nice because I actually have the Hayakushiki and Dijin, so this might be a cool setup for them. Aha, so cool. Though of course it's going to be cool to check out the water slides for this. All right, let's see now if I can reach it. Okay, and the next, the one I've been wanting so much since this was announced, the Gundam Mark II AU style 21st century real type of the Mark II. This thing is so cool. This was such a surprise to most fans when this was announced by Gundam Base. No one expected this because, for those who aren't aware of this, the real type line that we have for the high grades and such are based off of the original 1/100 scale real type kits that were that many years ago. But the Mark II never had one. That's what's the most surprising fact here. So, being that we now have a real type version of the revived Mark II, I should mention, uh, I'm really interested in seeing if if they'll continue the line of real types with the Hayakushiki revive, the Kubile revive, and the Gaian revive. I'm sure we will get a Gaian because that was one of the originals, but the other ones I'm more interested in. That, or if we get a Titans variation of the real type. I don't think so, but, it'd be pretty cool still. So I'm very glad this came in because, man, I've been wanting this. Okay, what else? Okay, oh, yes. The Gundam Base Ninja Stein Narrative Extra Finished version. This thing looked really cool when they first revealed it. It's the really nice metallic version of him. And I've been hearing really good things about this kit, so I wanted to try it out. And I figured since the expo actually listed this kit, I figured this would be the perfect opportunity to get him. And I've been wanting to try more of these extra finish type kits, the titanium, special, all those types. And I've been really wanting to try them out. So now and this one is perfect for that. That and plus with a bunch of weapon kits I have aside would be really fun to customize this guy with. It's gonna be so cool. I gotta move some stuff real quick. Sorry, guys. Just to make sure I have enough room. Okay. There's only one more kid, and you can probably see it. So here, I'll just slide it out so you guys can see it with me. Okay, let's just move this out of the way before I name it. And that is, of course, of the MS 07H Goof Flight Type, Real Type version. Now, this one I am as I've pretty much been saying with all the kits here, I'm just really glad I got this kit because this one is a pain to get for fans. And I say it because the original version of this kit is a P Bandai exclusive, which I don't think has been reissued in a while. And of course, this is based off of the revived Goof high grade, so this is definitely going to look really nice when built. And this is just another real type version of something because I don't even think the Goof Custom has a real type version. So being that we have a flight version is really cool. So yeah, and also just proves that many mobile suits can get the real type treatment. This is so cool, and I can't wait to build it because with all the real types I've been getting lately, man, they're gonna look great together. All right, now give me 1 second, guys, and then we'll get this box open because I guess it looks like I was, well, like I said, these seems to be more expo kits, so that must mean this will be another expo set, I think. Ugh. Alright, let's move this back a little. Without revealing anything, let's take more bubbles out. Take garbage out. Let's see. Alright, let's see now if I'm right. Nope, still more. Wow, these guys really know how to pack these boxes. Am I right, guys? Okay, let's see. Alright, first item on my... that is, of course, of the RX-78F00 Gundam SD Cross Silhouette version. Man, this was a fun kit idea to pick up. And, of course, this is based off of the F00, the 78F00. Sorry, guys. Man, this is so cool in detail. Though, I won't lie to you guys. There's a good chance I am probably going to give this one to my nephew. And I say that because after building the 144 scale, I loved the detail. I love building it, but it took a while to do. And plus, I love getting little kits for my niece and nephew so they can enjoy the builds with me. So this one I'm probably going to give to him. And I hope he has as much fun as he had with the entry grade kit I got him. So yeah, this is going to be fun. Alright. And now that I know what this is, and I think I now know what order this was from. Okay, and the next kit is the Gundam Base 2nd V clear color version. As you can see here. I picked this up. Now, before I forget to mention this specific box was not actually from any of the listings of the waves that the expo had, as in when they first went up. Specifically, these boxes you see here are from kits and items I ordered after all those waves. This is like sort of what the expo had left over. And I decided to pick up some extra kits for reasons. And this one, I figured, I don't have many victory kits, and well, I had to check it out. And you could thank UC Gundam for that, because he's been talking a lot of good stuff for Victory Gundam. So I'm glad he picked this up. Then, definitely gonna have fun building this one and comparing it, of course, with others. And the next, oh, that's right, I almost forgot about this. This was, of course, a Gundam Expo Online 2021 exclusive hat I picked up. I usually wear baseball caps a lot, so I figured it was about time I got myself a new hat. What do you guys think, huh? Really nice. This looks really cool, this logo. I gotta wonder if they'll do another one of these next year. Alright. Let's see. Oh, okay, here's... yes, this one. The Gundam Base Petite Gold top and play card of the Petite Guy line. Okay, this one I know right now I'm giving to my niece. She loves these little guys. We've done a couple together. So yeah, I had to get her this one because it's going to be all shiny and such. This is going to be fun. Alright, what's next? Let's turn the box around because I think most of the other stuff's at the other end. Okay, what's... the Gundam Base, once again. RX-78-3 G3 Cross Silhouette SD version. Wow. Now this one I bought for myself. I've been wanting to do more SDs, and well, the G3 is a popular RX version, so I figured it's only right, since I got his high grade, to get his SD. And this is gonna look really cool when built. Alright, I think that's almost... No, I'm sorry, guys. There's still a couple more things. Okay, and here's the next one. That's right. The Gundam Basics... You guys are probably tired of me saying that, aren't you? Narrative Gundam C-Pax Titanium Finished version. Now, after I got the B-Pack, as you might have seen in my last video, I decided to pick up more narrative kits, because I figured... since I was picking up Well, hold on. If I... Oh boy. Of course I put it at the bottom of the stack. Since I figured if I picking up this guy and the B pack, you might as well just finish off the set by picking up the C packs version. And what's cool is since this is in titanium finish and this one's in extra finish, these two are going to look really cool together. Now, if only we had a Neo Zeong in that color, in that type, am I right? Oh, that'd be insane. Let's see. Oh, one more thing. So before I reveal it, let's just move this out of the way now. The last kit in here is the, well, limited item Force Impulse Gundam Titanium Finish RG. Yeah, I've been meaning to get my hands on the standard Impulse since I got the Sword Impulse RG. So, because I've heard such good things about the Impulse RGs, I figured I had to get this one eventually because I have a strange addiction to the Impulse Gundam. I literally have him in every scale now, in every size to be specific, as in high grade, RG now, and master grade. So, yeah, I figured I might as well get this version since, well, it wasn't really selling that much at the expo, so I figured why not. Plus, it's going to look really cool with the Sword Impulse, and hopefully we'll get a Blast Impulse at a point. Because that would be a cool lineup. That, and I'm still holding out a little hope for Destiny Impulse in RG scale. What do you guys think about that, huh? Would that be a cool idea? Alright, give me 1 second, guys. And here you go, guys. This is I believe one of my last expo deliveries I should be getting. I'm not 100%. I have to double check, but I'm pretty sure I'm almost done with the expo deliveries. Though I'm very glad because I have plenty to work on now, and of course so many cool ideas I could try out. Man, I can't wait. So yeah, I thank you all for coming. I hope everyone's enjoying your hobbies as always, and hopefully we'll see more expo events soon, and maybe even more throughout the world. I'm hoping, because these are really cool events for fans, especially those who cannot go to a Gundam base, as you see here, to get some of these kits, and it helps them out a lot. So I'm hoping for more in the future for all over the world. I'm hoping soon. So yes, and as always, I thank you all for coming.